First of all, you will make a folder on your desktop. You will be with me, right? Yes. You can name it as, it depends on you, what do you want to name it? Research article on social science. Within this main folder, you will make 3 subfolders. Right? One folder is related to your PDF. The other one is related to your Word file. And the third one is related to .txt. It means that when you will be developing your corpus, you should make 3 files, right? And we have 3 file format. PDF means portable document format. Second folder is related to document, doc, and the third one is related to text file, right? So I have my data in PDF that I have already uploaded in your GCR. Okay, I'll keep that PDF file in my PDF folder. Right? Now I'll have to convert this file into Word document. For corpus building, if you have a data in PDF format, you will have to convert that into Word format. And how would you convert it? Yes, how would you convert it? Any one line. Yes. So we are going to use PDF to text. Everyone is with me? Perfectly.
Where are the PDF files are located? Right? We made it. I have made these three folders. And then put it there. PDF files are in your GCR. Need to go to Google Classroom. But if you still you are not having this access to GCR, you can download any PDF and you can just convert it because it's a research article online. Any PDF.
Okay, you will have to upload file. You can see my screen later. We can do that. Right? You can see my screen. Yes. Okay, ji. So on desktop we have PDF file. We upload it. Now you can see that the file is processing. It's processed. Now download it. Now you can see that the PDF has been converted into Word file. Now, when we will be talking about corpus cleaning, you will clean the corpus at this step, right? You cannot clean the corpus in .txt format. Neither you can clean the corpus in PDF format. So you will have to clean this according to your need. For example, I do not need header, footer, introduction. I'll clean that. Now, when you will be building your own corpus, you will have to remove the spaces as well. I'm not cleaning the whole file. I have just cleaned these 2 or 3 pages so that we could see that how we will have to clean this.
The spaces between the lines.
Yes, you will have to remove the spaces between the lines. What will you do for that? Yes, what will we do for that? Split all text and then line specific. We will again go online. Okay. Text fixer. So there is on this website there is another option, remove line breaks. Right? So here you can see that there is a box appear.
So you drag your text there.
You will copy your text, paste here. Now you can see that your text has already been pasted in the box. Remove some line breaks. Remove all line breaks. It depends on you what option you intend to select. So I'm selecting remove all line breaks, remove all line breaks. Now in the other box you will look at the text that there is no line spacing. Right? Now in your Word file, You will copy to clipboard. There is an option, copy to clipboard, and then paste. So you can see that there is no line break. Now you will have to save the data in .txt format. How would you save it? Say that. Good. Save. You have to select .txt. Okay? Because you will save your data in .txt format. New folder. We are not going to create any folder. We will go to the folder where we have already created the folder on desktop.txt. I'll save it. Now this window will open. Right? You will save the data in other encoding. In other encoding, you will have Unicode UTF-8. If you not save the data in Unicode UTF-8, there may be error in analyzing the data because sometimes if you will not give a specific code to the file, the data or the words will turn into the symbols. So you will have to save the data in UTF-8. Now the data is saved. We'll go back to the folder and we'll check. Okay, how is it? This is the file, right? It is cleaned and there is no spaces in your Word file. Now we look at now there is no space and the data is cleaned. Now if you will look at the files, you will have to give the names to these files. This is called annotation of the data. For example, if I am working on recent papers, I can name it as research paper ENG 001. Right? The same name I'll give to my PDF. Research paper ENG 001. Forward finally. All the files. RP ENG 001. Right? When you will have these three files, you will have to make another Word file where you will write down all the information that is related to your data. This is also called metadata or the information about the data. मैं इसमें लिख देती हूँ information about research article. So my first research article is this, and I'll write down the code that I have given to the file. Why I'm preparing this file or word file. Anybody?
So that it is easier for you to go back to your data. So you can go back to these files easily.
I'll just add the code. And I can find out my file. I'll just add the code and find out my file. You just need to keep this information with you. For example, the code is research article RAENG 001. Right? So this is the code, and after that I write down the whole information related to the. For example, I want to work on the research articles, and I want to select the variable gender. What else I can select? Gender, genre, discipline, publisher, or right. So this is how you can file code. So this is how you can annotate the data. Gender. If you have two writers, then you can use M for real.
All of this depends on the focus of your study.
Now this all depends upon you, the nature of your research, right? For example, if you intend to select a variable of gender, then you will have to write down gender. If you are going to collect the data and you intend to conduct your study diachronically or synchronically, then you can write down year. So it depends on your study. What do you want to do with it? Right? Now, our session related to building Urdu corpus. I have already uploaded a file, recent paper of Urdu language in my under my session in GCR, right? So the format of Urdu corpus building is little different. First of all, you will select a PDF file and convert it into JPG. This first of all, you will open this online portal. I love PDF. You will have to convert PDF file to JPG. Yes. Convert to JPG. Download JPG image. Now the image has been downloaded. Are you people with me? Yes.
Trying. Slow down, please. Early learners. We are early learners.
Okay. Now that is little different and difficult process. For example, if you intend to build Urdu corpus, you will have to convert the file into JPJ, and every file of JPJ will be separate. It will not be a complete research paper. Okay. Every page will be in a separate JPJ format, right? So now you will have to extract all the JPG files, extract all. I'm going to extract it in a separate folder. New folder on desktop. Okay. Now I'll have to check if my data is ready to be.
Select all. We have to choose what?
So here you can see that I have all the pages of the research paper in my folder.
And after JPJ, what do we have to select all of?
You have to extract files.
Extract to specific file.
Extract all files into a specific location. To a new folder. Right? So now moving ahead. Have you ever observed that this Google has something very innovative for you? No. You have Google Lens here? Yes. Sorry. Yes. Upload a file or image. Select this file. Right? We copy the text. After that, you will place it in the Word file in separate folders. Again, you will have to make a separate folder for Google Lens पे आ रहा है. In this file, I'm going to save. Yes, in Word format. Now you see that this text from PDF to Word has been converted. Otherwise, it is not possible to convert Urdu document into Word document. Most things. Now, I'll clean it. This is only one page. Yes. This is only one page. So now, if you find out any spaces here, so again, you will have to remove the spaces. And the same software that we have used for English corpus, that will not work for that. Then what do you do? Yes. Yes, you have to respond this option. Line break. Yes, remove line breaks.net. Remove line breaks.net. Again, you will select your text from here. You can paste it. A word. Here, now you'll see that there is no line break. And there are two options, copy to clipboard or save as. I'm selecting copy to clipboard. Right? Again, you will have to save it in UTF-8 format. Index, save, I think my desktop document has already been saved. This is your the corpus. You can yes, online participants. Any question?